Ew, Gato. It's time to go to school. Now take a shower. Done. And I'm gonna go to school. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, class. It's time to do math. Hey, teacher. What is it there, Gato? Can I go to the bathroom? Okay. But don't get school or else you will get in trouble. Hey, I'm gonna go to McDonald's. 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 Finally. Wait. Where I am? Nah. Okay. Troy, I didn't know you worked there. Yeah, I have. Yeah, have 18 years old. So what do you want? I want a Big Mac, a large fries, and Coca-Cola. Order up. Grab a seat. Here's your meal. Num 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 num. Thank you. Oh no, I'm gonna get in trouble. El Gato, come here right now. We're gonna go home. Okay? Hey, Uncle. El Gato, how dare you go skip school? That's it. You are grounded. Go to your room. Well,